Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make this pearl bracelet. Okay, so yeah, okay, so it's very easy. We need, of course, we need our beads. Okay, so for this tutorial I will be using my red pearl beads and my crystal, the small one, and of course our spacer. Okay, so and of course we need our stretch jelly elastic. Okay, so I got this and I made this, so it's very easy. Okay, so that's all we need, and let's get started. So to start, I am going to insert this, okay, the small one, and then I'm going to insert our space, and then our big pearl, okay, and another spacer. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it looks like. So that will look like that, and of course to complete that to look good, I'm going to put this and it will look like that. Okay, so it's the same here as you can see. Okay, so and then you're just going to continue that. So after the small one, we're going to put our spacer and our big beads and the spacer again. Okay, so the spacer needs to be facing to our beads. Okay, you don't put like that. Okay, so it needs to be facing. Okay, so this spacer needs to face. Okay, needs to face and continue. And okay, so the first is we're going to insert from the back. Okay, and then our pearl, and then another spacer. Okay, we're coming in from the front now, so it will facing, and continue that. So for this tutorial I need 8 small crystal beads and 8 big ones. Okay, and then after the small one, the spacer, and we're inserting it from the back, and then the big one, and then the spacer again. As you can see, it's very simple, and you're finished in no time. Okay, and then the spacer, okay, and then the small beads, and then the spacer, and then the big one, and then the spacer, and then the small one. So we have 2, 4, 6. Okay, and then we need the spacer, our beads, and then the spacer, it's very simple, guys, and I'm loving it. Okay, so after we've done that, okay, we are just going to tie this knot. Okay, so I don't want to waste too much of the elastic, because if you tie it up and then that's it. Okay, so just like that, and then tie a knot there. Okay, and just tie it up tightly. Okay, to secure, just make sure that it's tied enough. This elastic is very good because it doesn't come undone. Okay, so and then after that you're just going to cut it off, guys, and you are done. Okay, so that how simple it was. Okay, so now I do have 3, and you can make it a lot as you want. You can make it bigger, okay, and you can make it smaller. If you're going to make it smaller, and then you're just going to decrease, okay, decrease. And as this one, I do have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this one I only have 7. Say with the small one, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 as well. With the big one, okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we have 8 small as well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so the same as this one. I think I have 8 for this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 as well. Okay, so this one fits me perfectly. Okay, and yeah, this one is okay. It's a little bit tight. So if you have like, this one is for kid, this one is for adults, and you can just add more if you want it bigger. Okay, so here you go, guys. Hopefully you like this video. Please like and share this video, and please, if you like, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will upload a new video. Okay, so thanks very much, guys, and have a great day. Bye.